Hi, so in this video, I will show you a very important function, VLOOKUP, that can save you a lot of time. So when would you use VLOOKUP? So say you have, like here, you have a list of customers here, and somewhere else, not even in the same worksheet, maybe a different worksheet, you may have also a list of customers but with more variables, and you actually want to get those variables here without having to go in one by one manually search for those customers here and then see what's their date of birth or what's their city. So this is where you would use the VLOOKUP function. And so what it's going to do is going to search for this value and then this value and this value within this range, and then it's going to return any column you want, maybe column 1, column 2, column 3. So put it into practice. We want to get this customer's date of birth, and we're going to take it from here. So let's start typing VLOOKUP. And now the lookup value is the value that we are looking for. So first we're looking for the customer ID, comma, and now we need to specify the range, the table array, our data source. So our data source is this entire table, and now this is very important that you put $sign here because we're going to be copying the formula down. So we actually need those dollars in front of rows only, to be honest, but that's fine as well. And now comma, and now we need to specify the relevant position of the column within this table that we want to return in this cell here. We want obviously date of birth, and date of birth is column number 2 in this table. So we're going to type 2, and the last part, and you can see here we've got two options here. You can put true or false, and what it means, if you say false now, it will mean that you are looking for exactly this customer ID in here, not anything that is similar or close to this customer ID, but exactly this customer ID. So that's why we're going to put false here. And enter. And I'm going to just right click, double click, and see what happened. So as you can see, there's one error here. And in this case, what happens is there is no customer of this number in this range. We can actually just confirm that. Control F. I'm just going to copy that first. And then in this range, I'm going to find this. Find next. And it's not returning nothing. Okay. So that means there is no customer ID of this number in this table. So that's why we have this error message here. And then we have the strange numbers here, but these are actually dates of birth. We just need to format it properly. And you can just use here, drop down short date, and there you go. Now we're going to do the same thing. The city, obviously we're not going to find a city for this customer, but let's just prove it again. And equals VLOOKUP. We're looking for customer ID again within this range, and we put $sign here. And now instead of 2, we're going to put 3 because this is the relative number, the relative position of the column that we want to return. 3, and again false because we want to find exactly the exact match. And there you go, we found the city. And that worked very well. And there's one thing that you need to bear in mind. When you specify the value that you're looking for. So in this case, you're looking for customer ID. You always need to make sure that the value you're looking for is in the very first column of your range. So if you had customer ID inside somewhere, so this table would start from date of birth and then customer ID, or maybe customer ID would be the last column. You would need to first move columns around and make sure that the value that you're looking for, in this case customer ID, is the first table, is the first column in your table. So that's all. Thank you very much for watching.